Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to race NASCAR on iRacing. First, ensure you have a quality wheel and pedal set for the best experience. Take time to calibrate these devices accurately for precise control. Familiarize yourself with the iRacing user interface to easily find and register for races. Start with a Rookie Series car and track to build foundational skills before moving to faster, more complex vehicles. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your virtual racing journey. Once you are on track, focus on mastering the racing line. This involves finding the optimal path through corners to carry maximum speed and preserve your tires. Smooth inputs on the throttle and brake are vital for maintaining control, especially in high-speed corners. Aim for consistent lap times, as this demonstrates control and builds your race pace. Also, learn to use drafting effectively. Following closely behind another car can provide a significant speed boost on the straights. Race strategy is key to success in longer events. You will need to develop a fuel strategy, understanding how much fuel your car consumes per lap and when you will need to pit. Planning tire changes is equally important to maintain optimal grip as the race progresses. Practice your pit stops to ensure they are quick and efficient, minimizing the time lost on pit road. Always listen to your spotter for critical information about traffic and incidents around you. To truly excel, delve into advanced car setups. Small adjustments to suspension, aerodynamics, and gearing can significantly improve your car's handling and speed. Utilize telemetry data to analyze your driving and identify specific areas where you can gain time. Develop your racecraft by practicing both defensive and offensive maneuvers, learning when to block and when to make a pass. Finally, consider joining a league or team. It offers a fantastic way to learn, compete, and enjoy the community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.